How to make carrot juice at home. Start by watching your fruits, which includes carrots, oranges, and apples, under a running water or soaked with salt for 10 minutes. This method will eliminate bacteria or microbacteria gotten from the store or market. Wash thoroughly. After washing them thoroughly, go ahead and cut them into smaller size. This will help your blender. Cut and place them in the blender, and pour 1 liter of water in the blender. Time to blend. 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 After blending, allow to settle for a while. Then filter and strain. You can consume the without filter because the fiber is very important to our body system. Pour into glass jars or storage containers. Proceed to store in the refrigerator for 3 days or in the freezer for 6 months.